K-Talk Lab, where K-pop meets learning. Hey everyone! Want to master Korean double vowels fast? Let's do it in under 2 minutes. Korean double vowels are super easy to spot. Just add one extra stroke to these simple vowels.
아, 이, 오, 우,
And they become.
야, 여, 여, 유,
Let's quickly learn their sounds.
야,
Sounds like ye in yard.
여,
Sounds like yo in young.
여,
Sounds like yo in yogurt.
유,
Sounds like you in cute. Having trouble? Here's a pro tip. Start with the mouth shape 4.
이,
Then quickly transition to the simple vowel sound.
야, 여, 유, 유.
This is just a practice trick, not how you always say them. Once you get the feel, you'll do it naturally. Let's try some words.
우유, 여기, 야구, 아니요.
You're doing great. Keep practicing these sounds. Remember, Hangul is a brilliant, logical script with a clear history and purpose. It's designed to be easy to learn. Keep practicing, and you'll master these double vowels in no time. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. See you next time. Annyeong!